hunting for a portable speaker which you can carry along and connect it to various devices or use it standalone, then this video is for you. Hey guys, welcome back to TechSean.com. Today we're going to do a quick unboxing and a quick review of a portable speaker from a brand called Zook. Now this is the Blue ZB Jazz. That's the model number. So here's a box again. It's kind of crushed because I bought it online and the packaging came a bit messed up. But anyway, this will give you a pretty good look of what the box is going to look like. So this is a pretty basic portable speaker with some pretty impressive features. Let me quickly unbox this and give you what it has to offer you. So this is the box again. Pretty simple packaging. I'm going to open it up, and while I open it up, I'll give you the pros and cons of this stuff. So you open it up and take the box out. So that's much. So here's the packaging. So we have the speaker itself here. Very compact, very light. It's cylindrical and it's very compact. So let's keep that there. And what else do we get? We get a basic this is to connect the speaker to the side tag, where it's easy to carry along. And we have an audio cable used to connect to your laptop or any other device. So let's keep that there. And we have the micro USB charging cable to charge the speaker or to connect it, whatever the purpose is. Let's keep that there. Give you a macro shot here. So here on top we have the controls and stuff. We have the nice speaker grill here, and so on the back we have an opening here which has connectivity options. This is the on-off switch, this is the USB, this is the 5-volt micro USB charging port, and we have the aux and a memory card reader which you can insert micro SD cards. So pretty much simple. On the top we have the call button in the middle. I'll tell you what the purpose is. It has Bluetooth connectivity, so you can maybe sync it with your mobile and receive calls or make calls. It has an inbuilt microphone which is pretty impressive, which you can use to make phone calls directly from the speaker. So this is the volume controls and the right and left. That is the next and the previous buttons. This button is used to switch off the LED light that I'll show you in a minute. And this is the pause and play button. So pretty simple functionality here. So very nice and compact. So it has also decent audio quality. Like I said, it has multiple input slots. The best part is the Bluetooth connectivity. So no worries, you can enjoy hassle-free music. It has inbuilt FM radio too. So that's again an impressive feature. Zook claims it is water resistant to some level. So we are yet to test it. Again, yeah, on rough and tough usage, this speaker is not going to let you down. So that's one nice feature out there when you're traveling around or taking the speaker to multiple places. The price is pretty impressive. You know, you can grab one for $1,250 or even less on online stores. You know, nowadays a lot of offers are coming up, so you can grab one. I grabbed this from Flipkart.com, so you can also grab one from Flipkart.com. On a full charge, the standby time is 4 to 5 hours. That's also pretty good. So you can enjoy a continuous playback for 4 to 5 hours. So that's what they claim. On the negatives, very few. The build quality could have been a bit more polished. As you can see, I get a very nice feel. Though I get a nice feel, it is prone to scratch on on rough usage. When the audio quality, when the volume is increased above 50 or 60, the audio starts to get cracked. So you can just feel the audio getting cracked. So that is one negative. And the on-off switch is a bit cumbersome, so that I just felt like it's kind of hidden here, and I have to start fiddling around a little to to turn it on. So that's pretty much what I could see on the negatives. Not much. Minus that, it's definitely a good speaker. And let's go ahead and play some music to give you a feel. It'll give you a pretty basic feel of what I'm going to connect. I'm going to turn this on and I'm going to connect it with Bluetooth. See, as you can see, when I turned it on, the LEDs lights start glowing.
The Bluetooth device is ready to pair.
Yeah, so as you can see, it's ready to pair. So I'm going to connect it via Bluetooth. I have my iPhone up here. I'm going to pull that up and I'm going to connect it via Bluetooth. Let me go ahead and connect it.
The Bluetooth device is connected successfully.
So as you can see, the moment the Bluetooth device is paired, it just shows up a message, which is a pretty nice one. Now, since it's connected, I'm going to go ahead and play a song. There you go. Increase the volume a bit. To increase the volume, you just need to hold down this button harder. So as you can see, the volume is increasing. A single has bass effect. So the LEDs kind of change according to the music pattern. So this is completely playing through Bluetooth from my mobile, playing Bluetooth. To switch between tracks, you just need to press the right and left. To reduce the volume, you just need to hard press. I'm going to press harder. And as you can see, it reduces the volume. So it's pretty basic. To turn off the LED, I just need to press this button. And there you go. It's turned off now. If you feel the LED is a bit distracting, you can turn it off. So when you want to turn it back on, yeah. If you want to pause the music, you just press the button. And that's it, it's paused. So as you can see, it's paused right now. And if you want to play it back again, so it just continues from where it is left. So it's pretty nice and pretty basic. So I just pause. As you can see, I have just pressed the call button here, and it starts calling the last number. And you can hear the last number on your call history. It'll start dialing the last number on your call history, and you can pick up and speak over the speaker because it has an inbuilt microphone here. Pretty nice. I'm going to go ahead and cut the call. So overall, a pretty impressive speaker, a portable speaker from Zouk, which you can definitely consider if you are a traveler or you need a basic music connectivity where you want to play your songs from your mobile or from your laptop, or could be any portable device. So hope this video was informative to know about this product. Stay tuned to TechShun.com for more videos, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel